No! No! Where are the turtles? Oh, God! No! No! No!
Get out of here, Weaver. Tell them I failed.
You want to die with him? Your choice.
Damn it!
Dang it, so close, man. Dude, again, really? You? Good job, man, good job. Yeah.
Oh, I got you, Hal.
Good job, dude. I was slowly creeping up on him. This is the second time you got me.
I circled around up there, too.
Yeah, at the very beginning.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the mouth.
You're all good. You're all good. That's a nice gun. It hits pretty well.
You're great at the game.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Stand up behind them.
What's up? I was so close. I was right there. What's up?
Let me set this down right quick. And... Remember to bring him back.
Green's coming in! Go, go, go!
Let's go, protect them.
I'm a prisoner.
Blackbeard, drop your gun.
Okay.
Yeah, Blackbeard, I really don't want to.
Yeah.
Landon, let's go. Move it,
All right.
I'm a prisoner.
Stay on the ground!
I'm just gonna
He's
sit.
under my protection.
Everyone, keep your guns up, buddy.
Oh. All right.
Can we cross the creek?
You can cross the creek. You just cannot go to Embassy. You go to Embassy, that's spawn killing.
Which way is Embassy?
Man, you got me twice.
You shoot
That's
into
good,
that
man.
area and I hear anything about it,
We were right here.
it's gonna be hell to pay.
Right here pushing. And I saw you and I was like,
Yeah, I ran
he's
for it,
gonna
dude.
see me or I'm gonna see him. I
Yeah.
was like, I gotta.
You shot my teammates and I darted out of there, dude. I was like, nope, I'm not gonna get shot. And then I escaped over here and I was slowly creeping up on your teammates and then you got me in the back. That was good. I didn't even hear you,
Waiting on me
dude.
to get this thing airborne.
Yeah. I didn't even hear you. You snuck up on me.
Get me.
What goes around comes around.
UAV online.
That's awesome. Safety. 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 Safety.
Oh, Blackbeard.
Nicely done.
Oh, I can't touch it? Okay, sorry.
I don't know where he went. Blackbeard just came in like a ninja, dropped him, and then left. I don't know where he went. That's Blackbeard for you. I'm gonna step off into the shrub and take a piss. Thank you for announcing that. There are ladies present. You guys know me.
Sam, hit it!
Why didn't you shoot us while we were there, though?
Because I was waiting for an opening. I'm surrounded. If I'm going to be surrounded, plus 10 feet rule too. You guys walked right next to me.
Boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
Okay. We're almost to the creek. When we get through here, this is where we need to be careful.
You know they're already coming.
Yep.
You know good path through this shit.
I hear something way over there. Come on, go through on the other side. Yeah, he's shooting. I thought you were dead. Damn. Yeah. See, look. It's the Blaster Ace Tech.
You got dead. I just want to. You don't even have to take it.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, I've seen another company. This one was way nicer.
Yeah. Oh, the Nevescus one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have one too with the little pig flame on it.
Yeah, no, I just think your LEDs look a lot. Maybe the one I saw was probably beat up because somebody's already been using it, you know. But it was headed to town.
It's gonna be a long walk. I'll be back.
Go ahead and grab the flag.
I want to get a picture of you shooting that or video or something. That thing was badass.
Okay.
Whatever.
Right here. Let me do it like right here. I'm not gonna show you. Don't worry.
Oh no, I got.
So that way you
I
get the
know
flash in it.
You see that? All right.
Ready? And then I got the green light. See what it looks like. Oh, that's sick.
That's what
nice.
everybody sees.
That's awesome.
You should. You'll be okay. Wait.
Is that it? Okay.
I'm gonna get a badass still from that. I already know because.
Nice.
See what I'm
Oh, that's sick.
I'm gonna get a